Hi superstars! Welcome friends and legends! In this mission, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 3 divided by 3 over 14 then times 14. First we do this multiplication. 3 over 14 times 14. We can easily cancel this 14 and this 14. So here we have this 3 only, and 3 divided by 3 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 3 divided by 3 over 14. To do this division, write down the 3, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 14 over 3. And here again, we have times 14. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 3 and this 3, which gives 14. And here again, we have times 14. So here we have this 14 times 14, which equals 196. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you want more.